Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today I was wondering, we always do the same thing with the pulled pork sandwich, the pulled pork, the barbecue nachos with pulled pork, and in France we also do the parmentier, which is a pulled pork with potatoes, and we also do in the U.S. We also do the pulled pork with the chili, or sometimes you do it with a stew. So I was wondering just what can we do with pulled pork that is different, that is new, and then I thought to the Brazilian coxinhas. The coxinhas, it looks like a pear. Okay, it's a dough that you can fill with what you want and that you will fry in a pan. Okay, so let's go, let's do it. It's the first time for me, so it's pretty new. I hope it will be good, and I hope I will success it. So to make the coxinhas dough, we need 700 milliliters of water. So it's about 2 cups and a half, maybe 3 cups, 2 cups and 3/4 of a cup of water, 460 grams of flour, 50 grams of butter, and 2 chicken broth cubes. Okay. For the filling, we will need some fresh pulled pork, of course, some barbecue sauce, and whatever you want. If you want to put some jalapeno or anything else, you can do it, and some cheddar cubes. And that's it. A pan to fry, or just a deep fryer, or whatever you want to fry our coxinhas. Okay. First thing to do is to boil the water, and to put the butter and the 2 chicken broth cubes, and then when the water will be boiling, we will add the flour in one time. Butter, 2 chicken broth cubes, and as soon as we get a boil, we will add the flour in one time. And now I cover and we let it cool until it's warm but not too hot. Okay, so we can manipulate the dough. So now we will work the dough by hand. Okay. Always cover the dough if you don't use it immediately. Okay, and now we will prepare the filling. Some pulled pork, some barbecue sauce, so you take a bowl like a golf ball, maybe just a little bit bigger than a golf ball. We will just make a hole inside, okay, and spread the dough to get a cup. Put it in your hand, okay. Fill with some pulled pork, and some cheddar. Okay, and now we will close that bowl. And make like a pear with the dough. Now we need some milk and breadcrumbs, and then fry them in a deep fryer or in your frying pan. Alright? So now I need some milk and breadcrumbs. Okay, milk first, then in breadcrumbs. And we can deep fry the coxinhas. Alright, now we just have to deep fry the coxinhas. 180 Celsius degrees. So now you know what to do with your pulled pork leftovers. This is a great idea, the coxinhas of pulled pork. Great. So I will just taste one of them. It's still very hot, so oh, this is very good. The crust is really crusty. You can hear it. I guess you can hear it. And then you feel the melted cheese, the pulled pork, and then the barbecue sauce. I used a hot smoky barbecue sauce, and it's very, very good. My God. Still hot. So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.